Welcome. Today's short practice is great just before you get into your day. So before you open your email, go ahead and get centered and find yourself. Take a comfortable seat, cross-legged, and take a moment just to notice your internal landscape. Without judging or changing, just notice how you arrive at this moment. Breathe and make space. Three deep breaths, inhaling in through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. And with your eyes gently closed, think of how you want to show up today. Choose a word. It might be calm, might be confident, it might be graceful. Pick a word that resonates with you. And let that be your intention for the day. And then go ahead and open the eyes and circle the heart. Rotating the torso in each direction. And changing. This is just a gentle warm-up practice for the morning. Come back to center on your inhale, arching the spine, letting the arms go back. Shoulders roll back and down. Shoulder blades come together. Look up. On your exhale, round the back, drop the head. Curve the belly button towards the back wall behind you. Arching and tucking. Take the right hand to the right side, lateral bend over to the right. And then change. And again to one side. And to the other. And then a twist to one side. A twist to the other. Let this easy practice be a way of connecting in with the body, connecting in with your emotional and mental landscapes. One more twist to one side. and then the other. Perfect. Good. Go ahead and make your way to all fours. On your inhale, arch the spine, look up, roll the shoulders back and down. On your exhale, belly button to the sky. On your inhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips, come to an easy down dog. On your exhale, touch the knees down, untuck the toes, sweep the arms back. Inhale, rise up onto all fours. Onto your shins, reach up. Exhale, plant the hands, come to all fours. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Tuck the toes. A short, easy down dog. The knees can be slightly bent. Touch the knees down, untuck the toes. Sweep the hands back. Do that one more time. Inhale, rise up onto the shins. The arms reach up, look up. Exhale, take it to all fours. Step the knees slightly apart. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Tuck the toes. An easy down dog. And touch the knees down, untuck the toes, and sweep the hands back. Take an extra breath or two here. Inhale, lift the head, lift the heart, walk the hands forward, spread the fingers. Make your way into down dog, and this time maybe take a slightly longer stance. Several breaths. You can pedal the feet if you like. And then look up between the hands. Walk the feet to the hands. Come to your standing forward fold. Drop the head. You can soften the knees a little bit here if you like. And then inhale, rise up, arms reach. Exhale, hands to the sides. Come to mountain pose. Steady and strong, confident, graceful with ease. Good. Step wide onto the mat and slide the right hand down. The right side, left arm comes up and over. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, other side, lateral bend. Inhale, come up. Turn the feet to the right. Sweep the arms out, reaching out, and exhale. Come over into a soft triangle pose. Maybe it's a little higher to start. And then you gradually can let the body come a little bit further into it. And then inhale, come up and change. Feet turn to the left. Inhale, arms reach. Exhale, over you go. Inhale, rise up. And And then turn the feet back, wide-legged. Toes turn slightly in. Interlace the hands back behind the body. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. On your exhale, go ahead and fold over, arms coming up and over the head. And then release the hands. Bend a knee to one side, lunging to one side, to the other, to one side, and to the other. And then come back to center. Walk the hands in, lining up with the feet. Press the elbows straight back. Crown of the head descends. And then on your next deep inhale, rise up, arms reach. Exhale, hands to the heart, and go ahead and jump or step the feet together. Inhale, come to chair pose, sitting back, arms reaching forward. Exhale, standing forward fold. Inhale, rise up, arms reach. Exhale, hands to the heart. Let's do that 2 more times. Pausing into your chair pose. Insides of the knees can be pressed together. Exhale, flow it over, standing forward fold. Inhale, rise up, arms reach. Exhale, hands to the heart. Once more. And next time you come up, go ahead and release that. Feet slightly apart, and just rock a little side to side, twisting side to side, nice and easy onto the knees. Knees slightly bent, feet flexible. And then unwind yourself. Come to mountain pose. Palms in towards the thighs, body strong. Take a moment to close the eyes and come back to that word, that intention that you set. And then bring the hands to the heart. Thank you for practicing. Namaste.